9 legit ways you need to make money and passive income online fast. The internet is probably the most amazing opportunity the small business person has ever been given. You don't need a bank loan, big office rent, expensive equipment, and pricey employees. Even though these things have been necessary to run even the smallest firm in the past, the internet lets you look and operate like you have all those things for just a few dollars. 20 years ago I would have dismissed that statement with a sarcastic, "Yeah right." But today, the internet along with automated websites and outsourced teams of salespeople and pro writers, have made owning a big business a very simple thing. Welcome to Paradise Success, the place where you come to get inspired before you expire. If you are new here, please subscribe and smash the notification bell so that you will be among the first people to get notified whenever we upload a video. With that out of the way, here are the 9 things you need to really succeed with your own online business and make money quickly. 1. You need a website. It's quite possible to make money without a website, but the number of people doing that is getting fewer by the day. An attractive, hot-selling website will grab visitors and turn them into paying customers. A well-done, well-targeted website can easily earn several $100,000 a year, even for the home-based entrepreneur. You need a website. It's the way to make money while you sleep. Starting a website takes 15 minutes, costs hardly anything and can be done by 70-year-old. It only takes a bit of plugging on social media to get your first visitors, and there are plenty of ways to monetize your site. 2. Get automation working on your site. In the old days, we had to send an individual email to all our prospects. A simple task could take all day and half the evening. Now, advanced autoresponder systems can instantly email customized responses to anyone that asks for more information, or buys, or has bought in the past. This one feature can be a huge money maker for you. 3. Diversify. Don't just settle for one way to make money. Your site should offer several products and/or services. Often you can combine products and services into packages that sell far faster and command a higher price. 4. Learn the power of residual income in your activities, then use it. Residual income is when people join your organization, and you get a commission for everything they sell. You can get tens, hundreds, even thousands of people working under you. The cash will flow in on a regular, continuing basis like you never. Organization is super easy. Most business opportunities have full-featured systems that help you easily do this. 5. Sell an information product. Reports, books, ebooks, and CDs are what the internet is all about. Information always has been and always will be king on the net. Get a great information product, sell it, sell republishing rights to others, and watch that cash flow in. 6. Publish an ebook. If you are good at researching and writing. With the Amazon Kindle store anyone can publish an ebook and make money. And the Kindle app is now available on almost any device, laptops, iPads, smartphones and yes, Kindles, so your global market is huge. List your book for $1.49 to $6.99 and you earn 70% of the sale. Considering Amazon is the ultimate selling machine, and remember people are looking to spend, that is a fantastic deal. The key to success with ebooks is to create value, and write nonfiction. Simply bundling information you have researched and compiled on a common problem. For example, secrets to starting your own business and then presenting it in an easy-to-digest format. An ebook justifies someone spending a few quid on it. 7. Affiliate marketing. If you've got a good presence on social media or perhaps you even have a blog or website, you can start bringing in money immediately by promoting all sorts of companies, products, services and offers online. Sign up as a publisher on the Amazon affiliate program, check their offers blog or browse the merchant listings to find something you think your friends would be interested in, grab your affiliate link and share it. If someone buys a product using your link you'll make a nice commission. To take it a step further, set up a website or a Facebook page and invite all your friends to join it and post your affiliate offers on there. 8. Gigs on Fiverr. Fiverr is now the world's largest marketplace for people to make money selling small services, known as gigs. What you offer could be absolutely anything: writing ebooks and translating, social media manager playing pranks, creating YouTube thumbnails, voiceovers and short video clips for people all around the world. The default price is $5, but you can attach extra services to gigs for more money. There is a clever way to profit even more from Fiverr for potentially far less work. How? By simply reselling the cheap gigs offered on other freelancers' websites. For example, find a decent YouTube thumbnail designer, then reapply to jobs on Upwork or even local classifieds. A $5 spend can easily become $70 plus, and it's repeatable. 9. YouTube. If you are not comfortable in penning down your thoughts through blogs and content writing, make use of your camera to create a video presentation. Create your YouTube channel, upload videos and start monetizing them. Choose a category or subject that you want to make videos on and get started, but make sure it's a topic that will interest a lot of people. Everything from cooking shows to political debates can find many takers on YouTube. You have to create a YouTube channel, which many people would be interested in. In other words, you should choose a niche that many people are interested in. Try these simple tricks to earn money online and you will be smiling on your way to the bank. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, like, comment and share this video on social media so that we can spread the word.